Holy crap. Oh my God. Alright, second video of the day, baby. This last video that you saw, we went ahead and slammed the Evo. This one's for Randy. Thank you, Eliminate, for inspiring me to go lower. We went a little bit lower, but we've got such a nice surprise for you guys today, sitting up at the front office. I've also got a million other things delivered. So many car parts to do, so I'm excited about that. But, bro, just check out this fitment. Actually, the rear's kind of bunked because I flared it. Oh, sorry neighbors, that was weird. Anyways, let's go ahead and take Big Booty Judy up to the front office because I've got a surprise sitting there waiting for me. So good, dude. So many parts. I love installing car parts so much. Let's see what this front office got for me, baby. Oh, man, this fitment is literally just so tight. Gotta get that steezy shot. I never pull into my garage like this. So you guys might be wondering, Evan, why didn't you back in? Well, because we're gonna be working on something on the booty of this car, and we need some of that good lighting, because if you guys don't know, lighting is good for videos. I've got something very special to surprise you guys from Invictus Aero. I'm gonna put their link in the description. We're gonna make this Evo look so good. I'm so excited about this, boys. Oh, oh yeah. Part 1, part 2, part 3. Oh my God. That is gonna be so sick. All right, I got about a million freaking screws in here. Oh my God, they're going everywhere. Yeah, they were supposed to be in this, but yeah. Now we've collected all the self-tapping, boys. Let's go ahead. Oh, hold on. Make sure don't go on. Oh, hi, wife. Damn, you got a sick-ass car. Oh, damn. She's hot. Even though we lowered this car about an inch, the quick jacks is still fit under the car with no issues. I'm assuming this is supposed to be a pretty self-explanatory mod, but you know, sometimes your boy got a hard time dealing with life. So, I'm gonna assume, yeah? I might figure it out, just, it's fine. Oh my God. It looks like this is supposed to bolt up about right here-ish. It's gonna cover up the bottom of my license plate a little bit, and that's gonna look so damn good. And then this piece right here is gonna bolt up somewhere around right here, and just, it'll look nice and aggressive. We'll figure it out, boys. Just let Daddy do his business. So here's what's gonna happen. The stock bumper / diffuser looking thing is right here, right? And I'm gonna self-tapping screw into this little piece right here, and then as well as this little piece right here, and then probably a couple times here and there, and then I'll figure it out on this side. Probably do it here where that little mud flap area is. Maybe here somewhere. This is pretty tight so far. Wow, this is cool. This is really cool. I'm probably gonna go ahead and bend the license plate over it and kind of do like a JDM style. Boom, there we go. Yeah, Texas cops don't really like when you're hiding your license plate, and I'm pretty sure no other state does. So, we got it. Let's move on to the sides now. This is way easier than I thought, which is really nice because I didn't know how hard of a time I was gonna have with this. The side one is gonna be a little more difficult to do, I think, just because there's a lot of stuff it needs to bolt to, but it shouldn't be that hard. I'm gonna figure out a nice way, probably bolt it into one of these a couple times, and yeah, you know what, it'll look good. Holy crap. It looks so cool. I wanna show you guys, but I wanna go ahead and get everything done first. I'm gonna at least show you where I bolted. Actually, no, I'm gonna save it. It looks so sick though. I can't wait till this is done. I absolutely love self-tapping screws. That's actually exactly what holds my wide body in on the 1J, so it's sick. So basically for this, you just gotta spend a little bit of time figuring out exactly where you want it and which part of it you like, how far forward you want, and that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna copy the other side, which I've already done. It looks a little funky in the air, I can admit, but once it's on the ground, it'll look sick. Can't wait to show you guys. And after we do this, we've got a meet we're supposed to go to tonight, which I love going to meets. It's always fun. Like I feel like I don't get to go to it a lot anymore because I'm always working or editing. So it's always fun when I get the opportunity to do so. So let's get this done. Let's go have fun at a car meet. It's done. That was so easy. I was literally praying before. I was like, please let this be an easy install because I am tired and I just want to go to this meet. And it was super easy. So, and again, shout out to Invictus Aero. His link is in the description. Let's lower this thing down and I'm going to show you guys. This thing is literally the best thing ever. Oh my god, that fitment is just so good. So this is gonna look a lot better when I have more aero to complement this. I've got the front, what the heck is the front called? I just brain farted. Splitter. Front splitter's coming next week. It's gonna look a little weird just having a diffuser right now, but it does look really sick. You guys ready to see it? Psych! Actually, I'm just kidding. Now you guys can see it. I think this is so tight how this ended up coming out. I put it on a little aggressive. If this is a little too wide body-ish or like a little too aggressive, I can always go back and modify it a little bit. The tow hook, the stock tow hook was right there, and I can always take that out and put a different tow hook in, but that was blocking me. So because of that, I moved this one over as well. So we'll see. I'm gonna go drive it and not just show it to you in the garage because it always looks better not sitting here. Oh yeah, I just feel the rear just really dialed in right now, and so much aerodynamics keeping the car down on the ground. Just kidding. It's purely aesthetic, and I'm still rubbing the hell out of my. I gotta cut my freaking inner fender wells. Good thing is, it's not rubbing or anything like that. I'm not scraping the concrete with it, so that's good. I didn't go too low. Let's go ahead and let's check this thing out. It looks pretty sick. This newfound fitment is literally just, it's just so much fire. I don't even know where I got this, honestly. I mean, seriously, dude, this front is really like, damn. The rears, I shouldn't have pulled it that hard, but all right, here we go, baby. Looks pretty sick. That looks pretty tight. Pretty tight. Oh my gosh. This car is gonna look so sick once it actually has full aero. Again, it looks kind of funky, and it's gonna look really good once I have my wing too. Ooh, I think I might have just given that away. It would look really sick if I had some side aero right there to kind of complement that aero in the back. And then obviously, like, having the diffuser in the front is gonna be sick. I have the diffuser, and I also have canards coming as well. So I got that Ricer aero on fleek on this car, and it's gonna look good. I love this car, and I missed delivery of my turbo stuff today, so we gotta wait till Monday for me. This is filmed way before Monday for me, but I gotta wait till Monday to get that stuff, but it's gonna be started for you guys this week. It's gonna be so litty. I love Evos with aero. I don't know why, especially with wings. I think that these cars are just, they're so aggressive looking, whether it's an 8 or a 9 or a 10 or a 7, whatever it is, it just looks cool. And especially with this color, I wanted to do something just silly loud and kind of just, honestly, I just wanted to get silly with it. God, this car looks so much better now that I lowered it. Jeez. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna go home. I'm actually like so tired. I'm dying a little bit inside right now. So I'm gonna go home and like maybe take a nap. Not really. I never can take a nap. I'm gonna go home and get ready for the meet. Then we're gonna roll out.
A few inches later.
Got a little bit of rest. We're gonna head to this meet. It's gonna be pretty cool. I think it should be pretty big or pretty good. My friend Alex from Pro Sups, we're also from VQDFW, is the one who invited me out. I don't think anybody knows I'm gonna be there, so I'm gonna try and show up incognito and just kind of hang out to check out cars. It'd be cool to actually go and film some stuff like I used to do back in the day, but also it's always awesome to see you guys at random meets too and hang out with you guys. I love to be personal, and that's not like I don't like to hang out with you. So let's go ahead and beat this car up on some Dallas roads and try not to lose my new diffuser. Dang, you started sitting in this car and all of a sudden it started scraping?
Sorry.
Damn. I was way too tired to take the fender liner out, so we're gonna have to deal with this for a little bit. Yo, this is lit, dude. Oh my gosh, this is actually crazy. There's R31. Yeah, hey, hi. Okay, he said my name. This is lit.
Let's go.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you. There's a guy with the Houston shirt that's down there. He'll show you where to park.
All right, sounds good, man. Oh my God, this is crazy, man.
This is way cool.
This is such a sick meet. Wow, this is so tight. Okay, this is pretty sick. I'm really glad I ended up showing up tonight. This is cool. And look at this, dude. Porsche gang, Cayman gang. That's what I wanted, but just never did. It's gonna be tight. Hey, we made it. We made it. It didn't fall off. I did a good job installing it.
You said it fell off.
No. It didn't fall off, so we're good. Holy crap. Oh my God. This is goals. That front, oh my God. I think that's a Varis or, I don't even know. That's so tight. Man, making me look lame over here. Nobody look at that yellow Evo. This is tight. This is really cool. I'm tired as hell, so I'm sorry if any of you met me tonight and I'm just but this is sick. Thank you guys for some of you who just walked up and said hi. I always love seeing you guys. Oh, smoke gang. Hi, bud. So I was literally so tired when I got home from this that I immediately conked out. I wanted to end the video and I didn't. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching this video, and also I wanted to say today is the only day you can do this. We are donating 100%. We're collaborating with Beneath the Skin, and we're giving 100% of the proceeds for this shirt. It says it's okay to not be okay. It's a really good thing to understand that, you know, a lot of us, there's a lot of people on the internet like that we watch, even you guys watch, even there's a lot of car people out there. They just pretend like everything's okay, everything's dandy, everything's perfect all the time, and then behind the scenes so much is going on. It's okay to show that it's not okay. There's no shame in that. That is Beneath the Skin's motto, and we are selling a shirt that says that, and 100% of the proceeds are gonna go towards helping them. We're not taking a single dime. Those shirts today only are, they're gonna be for sale, and we're gonna be helping people deal with anxiety, depression. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the diffuser. Like I said, we're gonna be getting some more stuff, and I'm really excited about that. But anyways, that's it. Thank you again. Peace out. Be victorious.